do you want to see?
I see my friend. Oh, Chewy, you look so beautiful, my friend now. Baby girl, you look so pretty. Thanks, my love. Okay, Chelsea, you look dapper. Stretch out your hands to the front. I can't know what you do. Go and look at the more. Yeah, my family, I you know. You go very good. You go give us to baby. You go up to me. Extra bed, I want you know. You go very good. You give us to me, baby. You go up to me. The Holy Spirit said yes. Oh my God. Sit down. Can Jesus say a prayer? What else of us? What else of us is to do by nothing with? Okay.
The next morning.
What's up, guys? What's up, guys? So today's Monday and I came here to end this vlog because man, it's been a fun week. Even though I didn't really vlog yesterday because guys, I was out of it. Like, see, I was having ulcer pain. I was tired, like not tired, like just like when you are stressed from having too much fun. That was it. And then thankfully yesterday was like an intimate ceremony. It was a child and a Nikkai ceremony, and it was just between close friends and family. I actually enjoyed the whole event, but like when it came to eating and everything, like I was already tired. Like I didn't have the appetite, you get. And that's because on Saturday I had a lot to eat. You guys will see, you guys must have seen it, that I had lots to eat. So I was just like, yesterday I saw food, I was just looking at food like, yes. I tried to drink stuff, but I just couldn't. I was just taking like water, like yo. I was just like, thank God that the main wedding party is on Wednesday, because that means I have like 2 days to rest, 2 days to get myself re-energized, flush out my system, because on Wednesday it's gonna be, madness, gonna be dope. Okay, so yeah, I just want to be ready for anything. Dance, I'm there. Eat, I'm there. Groove, I'm there. So yeah, that's the like, yeah, man, it's not easy. It's not easy to have fun in this Lagos. You are going to go up and down. So on Saturday we were on the island. No, Friday, Saturday we were on the island. Sunday morning we had to come back to the mainland very early, and then attend another party that same Sunday. That's how it goes, guys. That's how it goes in Lagos. So I'm not complaining, but yeah, you just have to be up for it. Don't be like me, I'm lazy when it comes to having fun. But yeah, it was nice. The weekend was nice. It was nice, really, really nice. So yeah, that's the update, guys. Nothing other than that happened, but yeah, I enjoyed myself regardless. And
48 hours later.
So today is Wednesday, is the wedding finale, the wedding showdown, and here we are all here at the service apartment, and the bride is getting ready. I'm sure you guys have seen that already. Yeah, she's getting set, and me, I'm just in the kitchen doing my own makeup because everywhere is packed, and also the kitchen, I feel, has the best lighting. So I'm just managing to do my makeup, guys, because I've been really sick. God, like this sickness. If they told me that I'll be here today, I'll be like, are you pulling my legs or what? Oh yeah, I'm here. The only problem is that I won't be able to enjoy this wedding to the max, because attending an event or going out when you're sick is just the worst, because all you're thinking about is how to go back and lay on the bed all day and cover up, because that's how I feel right now. And then you'll be able to eat anything or even dance properly. But let's just see. I hope I get better. I was taking like medicine for cold fever, and what's the body pain. It was working to work, and like after like 1.5 hours my body will come back to being like really sick again. So I don't even know, and I finished that medication. So I don't know. So after today, tomorrow when I go home, I'll go and do like a proper test because I don't know what's happening. Anyways, don't worry, it's not COVID. It's not COVID though. Oh god. But yeah, let me put you guys down so you guys can just watch me a bit because I'm actually in a rush. But yeah, let's see what I come up with because see guys, I'm weak, very weak. The Lord is my strength because we gotta attend TJ's love story to the max, okay? Yeah, I hope you guys can hear me. All these ones I'm saying, hey.
Several song-filled hours later.